Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Today I'll take you one-on-one on how to buy PS Markup. PS Markup is a plagiarism report. This goes to guys who normally do article writing, maybe web blogs, or maybe guys in office who want to perfect their English so much. You need to confirm whether your work is plagiarized. So we'll come here and we'll be able to log in. I'll teach you. I want to buy a package for you to the PS markup. It's called the PS markup or PlagScan. You can just go to your website plagscan.com. You'll be able to get this most efficient software when it comes to removing plagiarism. It tells you it's the first step to scan plagiarism and get a plagiarism report. So we'll go to documentation. Then we'll be able to. This is the way the report normally. This is the platform. This is where you upload your document. After maybe even the researchers, the scholars who are doing their research, you need to confirm that your work is 0% plagiarized. Plagiarism means its original content, and if in case you have copied or used other people's content, you have to give credit to them. So we'll come here and buy our package. I will choose this the recharge package. This is the number of pages. So it tells me at $6, I'll be able to get a package of 24 pages. At 70 pages, at $13. At 400 pages, I'll be able to get $50. So for me, I'll be able to pick this package of at $6. I'll be able to pick 24 pages. My payment method is PayPal. With PayPal, I'll come and say buy now. Once I come and say buy now, I'll be able to key in pay with PayPal, enter my email and phone number to get started. I really advise when it comes to making the payment, ensure you use PayPal, because once you use your credit card, you are giving your confidential information to them. But PayPal you have attached to your bank accounts, and everything is safe. So I'll be able to. PayPal is very secure. You see, before I log in, it will have to tell me to get a verification code. Here we can see this is a platform. We are buying the PlagScan. Our package is $6. It tells us, do you prefer using your Visa card or your PayPal balance? I prefer using my PayPal balance. I told you the safe way that I really advise is people to use the PayPal, since once you give these websites your credentials, you might be messed and it's not very safe. So the best thing is you configure your Visa card into your PayPal and into your PayPal. Then you'll be able to make all the payments via PayPal balance. And if you're buying anything online, ensure that your credit card is attached to your PayPal so that everything will be safe with your monetary credentials. So I'll be able to say pay now, and it will cut from my balance. It tells me you have paid $6 to PlagScan at this time. So I know one thing at that I'll be able to get I'll be able to get I'll be able to get. You see now your balance is 74 pages. So I have 74 pages. I have 74 pages to be able to ensure my grammar is okay, to ensure that my work is 0% plagiarized, especially for the scholars, for the article writers, and the website bloggers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Lifestyle Tutorials. Ensure you follow up, because now I'll make another tutorial where I'll be teaching people how to file and upload files. Thank you. Welcome.